she is Rose. She is very friendly and nice. You should not eat the cake. It's my birthday today. I am your boyfriend, you should obey me. You know how people treat you. I don't care about the world, you love me the way I am. I don't love you, I am with you because you are rich. What are you thinking, honey? Nothing, happy birthday again. Let me pay the bill this time, you always pay the bill. I won't stop you this time. Oh no. I can't afford this expensive restaurant. What happened, honey, are you okay? I am so sorry, honey, I forgot my wallet at home. I feel so embarrassed. It is fine, honey. I will pay the bill. Thanks, honey, I love you. I love you too. Let's go to the disco now. Are you having fun? Yeah. Hey look, she is a balloon. No, she is a bulldozer. Honey, let's dance together. No honey, I am fine, let's sit there. But I really want to dance, it's my birthday, please. Okay. It's so amazing. Can we just go home, I am tired? Okay, honey. What happened, honey? You will eat salad from now on. I have been eating salad for the last month. I go to the gym as well. You are still an overweight, I feel embarrassed with you. Why are you saying that? It hurts me, honey, listen. You have to lose weight, otherwise I will leave you. Please don't leave me, I can't live without you, I will lose my weight. Okay, fine. See you tomorrow. Hey sister. Did you have fun? Yes, I did. What happened? Did he say something again? He wants me to eat salad and work out every day. Salad is not enough for health, you will get sick. He likes thin girls. I really love him. Does he love you? Yes, he loves me a lot. Wrong. He is using you. Being fat is not a crime. It's not your fault. If he really loves you, then he should accept you the way you are. No, sister. It's not like that. He just cares about me. Let's see. Hey Anna. How was your date with Peter last week? He's a player, he cheated on me, he's going to meet Sarah tonight. Really? I'm so sorry to hear that. Look at that fat girl, how ugly she is. Yes, do you know Peter is using this girl as well? What are you saying? Peter is using you. He's going to meet Sarah tonight. He's a player, everybody knows him. You're lying, he can't deceive me. He will be at the bar tonight, Sarah told us. You can go and see everything. She could be his friend. Believe or not, we don't care. You are so beautiful, I love you. Really? Yes, I can't live without you. You are my heartbeat. Peter. Rose. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Who is she? Who are you? How do you know Peter? Peter is my boyfriend. What? Why are you lying? I don't know you. Fat buffalo. What did you say? You don't know me. How could you do this to me? Hey fatty. Why are you accusing on my boyfriend? He does not like fat girls. I hate you, Peter. You used me for my money. You will regret one day. Get lost. Hey honey. Everything is fine, let's order something. Yeah, sure. The food was amazing. Yes, it was. Honey, can you buy me a new dress? Yeah, really. I don't love you, I'm just using you. Let's go. Don't cry, my sister. He does not deserve you, he's a cheater. I loved him so much. He was not sincere with you. I quit eating burger is for him. I ate salad for him. I made him happy. How could he do this to me? This is his real face. I feel so sad now I can't control my tears. After 2 months. You look stunning. Thanks, you're looking handsome as well. Rose. Hey Peter, long time no see. How have you been? I've been good. Rose. I am really sorry. Where's your girlfriend? She left me, she was using me. Rose. Who is he? Who are you? I am her husband. Husband. Yes, he loves me a lot. He cares about me. Don't you feel embarrassed with a fat girl? What are you saying, man? Being fat is not a crime. She's the cutest girl in the world. Thanks, honey. You accepted me the way I am. I love you so much. Let's go now. The end.